Shape Riddles, Unit 5, Module 4, Session 1. Today we will identify, name, describe, compare two-dimensional shapes, including triangles, rectangles, hexagons, squares, rhombuses, circles, and trapezoids. Draw a two-dimensional shape with specific defining attributes. Make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. Look for and make use of structure. Before we start today's lesson, you're going to want to print off the page I've uploaded to the website and then cut out those shapes. There's a shape in my pocket. We're going to play a game today that is very similar to There's a Shape in My Pocket. However, today you will have your own set of cards. I will give you clues that will help you discover the identities of two different mystery shapes. Get your materials ready. You'll need the shapes you just cut out. This is the sheet that's on the website if you hadn't already printed it. Pause this if you need to cut those out before we go on. Set out all of your shapes so you can see each one. I'm going to give you one clue at a time. As you eliminate a shape, set it in a pile on your name tag or beside you wherever you're working. Shape riddles. Guess my shape 1. My shape has exactly 4 vertices or corners. Triangles have 3 vertices, so we can take out all 3 of the triangle shapes. A hexagon has 6 vertices, so we can take that out. A circle has no vertices, so that's gone. Clue number 2. The sides on my shape are all the same length. The trapezoid. The top is not the same as the bottom, so we will take it away. The rectangle, the top and bottom are the same, and the sides are the same, but all 4 aren't the same, so we'll take that away. You should be down to 2 shapes. Clue number 3. My shape has square vertices or corners. That means they come to a 90-degree angle. A rhombus has they have equal sides, 4 vertices, but those are not 90-degree angles. So that is gone. Can you guess my shape? Hopefully, you all were left with the square. Guess my shape 2. Spread out your shapes again so you can see them all. And here we go. Clue number 1. My shape has only straight sides. That only takes out the circle. Clue number 2. My shape has exactly 3 sides. That takes out rectangle, which has 4 sides, trapezoid, which has 4 sides, rhombus has 4 sides, square has 4 sides, hexagon has 6 sides. You should have 3 triangles in front of you. Clue number 3. The sides on my shape are all the same length. Look at your triangles. The scalene triangle has a very long base, a short side, and a little bit longer side. So that one's out. A right triangle has 2 sides that are the same length, but the hypotenuse is longer. So you should be left with 1 triangle. Can you guess my shape? It's the equilateral triangle. Great work, guys. You're going to want to save these shapes, put them in a baggie. We'll need them for tomorrow's lesson. Thanks.